Section 17E, Air Force Mishap Prevention. 17.15, Air Force Mishap Prevention Program. The Air Force Safety Management System is a mishap prevention framework mandated by AFI 91-202, the U.S. Air Force Mishap Prevention Program, designed to minimize risk and reduce the occurrence of cost of injuries, illnesses, fatalities, and property damages. The challenge of deployments, technologically advanced combat systems, and changing duty requirements demand strong on-duty mishap prevention programs. Off-duty mishap prevention must also adapt to meet the challenges posed by motor vehicles, sports and recreation, and other off-duty activities. Air Force leaders implement the safety management system by providing guidance and goals, establishing safety responsibility and accountability, applying risk management to all activities, and promoting safety throughout the organization. 17.16, Mishap Defined. An Air Force mishap is an unplanned occurrence or series of occurrences that results in occupational illnesses, death, or injury to Air Force personnel or damage to Department of Defense property. 4 categories, classes that distinguish mishap severity are defined here. Class A mishap. A Class A mishap consists of costs totaling $2 million, destruction of a Department of Defense aircraft, or a fatality or permanent total disability. Class B mishap. A Class B mishap consists of costs totaling $500,000 or more but less than $2 million, a permanent partial disability, or inpatient hospitalization of 3 or more personnel. Class C mishap. A Class C mishap consists of costs totaling $50,000 or more but less than $500,000, or a non-fatal injury or illness that results in 1 or more days away from work. Class D mishap. A Class D mishap consists of costs totaling $20,000 or more but less than $50,000, or a recordable injury or illness not otherwise classified as a Class A, B, or C mishap. 17.17, Hazard Reporting. The AF Form 457, USAF Hazard Report, must be readily available in all work centers. When a hazard cannot be eliminated immediately, a hazard report must be submitted to the safety office, responsible supervisor, or local agency by telephone or in person. Individuals will report personal injury, property damage, and any suspected exposure to hazardous materials as soon as practical, but not to exceed 24 hours. Individuals should immediately report a physical or mental condition they feel could impact safe job performance. Reports can be submitted anonymously. If a hazard is eliminated on the spot, no further action is required. However, sharing information with other units or agencies is recommended to help prevent hazards and deficiencies elsewhere. Safety investigations. Air Force safety investigations are for mishap prevention purposes only, not for punitive actions or to establish financial liability. Investigators must respond to reports within 10 duty days, in writing about the corrective action or plans, and conduct follow-up reviews until the corrective action is completed. 17.18, Air Force Mishap Prevention Program. All Air Force personnel will utilize comprehensive risk management principles, processes, tools, and techniques to assess and mitigate risk associated with both on- and off-duty activities. An effective mishap prevention program depends on individuals integrating mishap prevention principles at every functional level and taking personal and collective responsibility for complying with and enforcing applicable safety standards. Safety Office. At the installation level, safety staffs, host and tenant units implement mishap prevention programs as prescribed by AFI 91-202 and applicable host-tenant support agreements. The Safety Office staff consists of career safety professionals who are first-term and career airmen trained in the Enlisted Safety Career Field, AFSC 1S0X1, as well as Air Force civilians. When mishaps occur, the safety staff ensures all mishaps are investigated and reported. With the assistance of commanders, supervisors, and individuals, the Host Safety Office staff provides oversight of the installation safety program and provides support and guidance to help eliminate unsafe acts or conditions. Unit Safety Program Manager. To ensure each unit is actively engaged in mishap prevention, Commanders will implement safety and health programs and appoint a primary and alternate unit safety representative to assist them in implementing their safety programs, to include procurement and proper use of personal protective equipment and worker facility compliance with applicable standards. Roles built into safety unit programs include using risk management techniques to analyze work environments and job tasks for hazards, developing work center-specific job safety training outlines on safety, fire prevention, protection, and health requirements, and monthly spot inspections of the work areas. Individuals. All individuals hold a vital role in preventing mishaps. A failure to intervene when a potential unsafe act is identified is a failure to protect. Every Air Force member is accountable for considering their personal safety and the safety of others when participating in on- and off-duty activities. Individuals are responsible for complying with all safety instructions, technical orders, job guides, and operating procedures. They identify and report hazardous conditions that place Air Force personnel or property at risk to supervision and/or sub the hazard using the AF Form 457. Air Force Safety Center. As a key component of the Air Force Mishap Prevention Program, the Air Force Safety Center works to ensure a safe environment and a safety mindset for all airmen. The Air Force Chief of Safety, who also holds the title of Commander, Air Force Safety Center, heads the organization and is located at the Pentagon with an Air Staff Liaison Division. The Air Force Safety Center is composed of the Deputy Chief of Safety Executive Director and 10 divisions at Kirkland Air Force Base. There are several agencies directly linked to the Air Force Safety Center that have specialized areas of responsibility with regard to ensuring and maintaining safety in the Air Force. Analysis and Integration Division. The Analysis and Integration Division is responsible for a complex but user-friendly Air Force safety automated system. The web-based program provides mishap reporting capability for all safety disciplines throughout the Air Force and enables the Safety Center to rapidly respond to both internal and external customer requirements for mishap safety data. The division is also responsible for information assurance functions and provides on-site small computer support for all safety agencies. Aviation Safety Division. The Aviation Safety Division consists of safety-trained professionals responsible for preserving warfighting capabilities by establishing Air Force aviation safety policy, promoting mishap prevention programs, and promoting proactive safety programs for all aviation assets. The division oversees the aviation mishap investigative process, the collection and accuracy of flight safety data, and the disposition of risk mitigating actions. Additionally, the division directs the Aircraft Information Program, the Hazardous Air Traffic Report Program, the Bird Aircraft Strike Hazard Program, and the Mishap Analysis and Animation Facility. Occupational Safety Division. The Occupational Safety Division manages the Air Force Occupational Safety Program, including operational, occupational, sports and recreation, and traffic safety. It oversees integration of Air Force safety inspections and policies in conjunction with the Air Force Inspector General, as well as integration of risk management processes in on- and off-duty activities. The division manages Air Force safety standards and interprets Department of Labor and industry standards for implementation. The division conducts evaluations of service-wide occupational safety mishap investigations and provides advice to investigators in the field. The division is responsible for the development and content of formal occupational safety-related training courses for supervisors and safety professionals. Human Factors Division. The Human Factors Division supports every aspect of the safety effort in addressing the biggest cause of Air Force mishaps, human error. The division includes experts from aircraft operations, medicine, physiology, psychology, and occupational safety, all focused on the human element in mishap prevention. The division is responsible for the quality control of human factors analysis and classification system coding in all Class A mishaps. It provides consultations to commanders at every level of leadership and is responsible for safety culture assessment, including the Air Force Combined Mishap Reduction System Safety Survey and the on-site organizational safety assessments. The division analyzes data sources to identify human factor hazards and provides research-based policy recommendations on mitigation strategies. Space Safety Division. The Space Safety Division is established to preserve combat space power by anticipating, reducing, and preventing mishaps. The division develops, executes, and evaluates Air Force space mishap prevention programs and executes interagency nuclear safety review panel responsibilities on behalf of the Department of Defense. The division oversees mishap investigations, conducts evaluations, and ensures application of corrective actions and mishap inclusion to the Air Force Safety Automated System. It promotes safety awareness and mishap prevention with Department of Defense, civil, commercial, academic, and international partners, as well as the Space Safety Council. Weapons Safety Division. The Weapons Safety Division establishes and defines Air Force nuclear surety and safety policy for the development and operational use of all nuclear, conventional, and directed energy, laser, and radio frequency weapon systems. The Weapons Safety Division provides nuclear, conventional, and directed energy weapon systems safety design certification, hazard of electromagnetic radiation to ordnance certification, Air Force explosive safety standards, explosive sighting reviews, weapons safety and consultation, and Federal Department of Agriculture waivers for directed energy weapon systems. The division also performs radiation safety oversight, explosives hazard classifications, mishap prevention programs, mishap investigations, and staff assistance. The division leadership chairs several multi-agency boards performing safety oversight for all nuclear, conventional, and directed energy weapons. Training and Force Development Division. The Training and Force Development Division serves as the foundation of excellence in ensuring the continuous professional development of all personnel assigned to safety staffs and supporting safety agencies Air Force-wide. The program develops, teaches, and manages the requisite safety education and training to enhance safety knowledge, skills, and abilities that enhance aerospace power by eliminating mishaps through proactive hazard identification and risk management. The education and training material encompasses all safety disciplines: aviation, occupational, weapons, space, and missiles, ensuring mission-ready capabilities are preserved for the Air Force, and is delivered to approximately 2,400 students through 9 professional courses in 60 sessions, ranging from 3 days to 7 weeks. The program ensures current and future mishap prevention requirements and opportunities are addressed by providing interactive on-site classroom course offerings, web-based course offerings, and distance learning courses. The division chief serves as the Safety Civilian Career Field Manager, establishing policy and serving as the day-to-day advocate for issues and concerns, and as the functional manager for the Air Force Safety Manpower Standard and Variances. Personnel and Resource Division. The Personnel and Resource Division is responsible for complex managerial services for the Center, including all personnel, manpower, program management, knowledge operations, and facilities management, as well as planning, programming, budget, and execution. The Personnel and Resource Division provides support to the Air Force Chief of Safety and the entire Air Force Safety Center. It is the backbone for mission and infrastructure support to ensure continuity and efficiency across the enterprise. Office of the Staff Judge Advocate. The Office of the Staff Judge Advocate provides legal advice and general counsel on all aspects of Air Force mishap prevention programs and safety investigations. The office ensures proper controls are maintained on safety reports and privileged information. It also provides effective coordination on legal and safety issues with the Department of Defense, other federal agencies, and international safety programs. The office maintains the Air Force Safety Center Records Library, ensuring efficient and timely retrieval of safety investigation reports for review and analysis. In addition, it responds to requests for safety information under the Freedom of Information Act, congressional requests, and other functional requests. Public Affairs Division. The Public Affairs Division supports the Chief of Safety's communication program by providing service members and the general public timely and accurate information to raise awareness and improve understanding of the Air Force Safety Center mission and its role in mishap prevention, and to promote mishap prevention Air Force-wide. The division manages the center's public website and social media programs, generates news releases, photos, and video products for Air Force-wide distribution, and engages with the news media to ensure the accurate reporting of safety programs and mishap prevention efforts.